Every day, millions of automobiles struggle through our cities and contribute to the largest problem of the industrial age, air pollution. That is why a large amount of money must be invested every few years into restoring dirty building facades. And to make matters worse, the rate of respiratory problems is dramatically increasing in densely populated areas. Chemist Luigi Cassar has been investigating the effects of air pollution for more than 20 years. During the course of his research for an international Italian cement manufacturer, Cassar developed a construction material that both repels dirt and cleanses the air. And its only source of power is the energy of the sun. A truly groundbreaking invention.
Noi abbiamo trovato questo effetto di fotoattività.
We discovered this effect during countless experiments with various forms of titanium dioxide. With the right chemical composition, we came to an incredibly clear result. That is how our product developed and led us to a new technology. Today, this process can be applied throughout the world. In the early 90s, Luigi Cassar and his team discovered the significance of titanium oxide in cement production. Titanium oxide is a natural mineral that transforms dirt particles and all kinds of pollutants into harmless substances using sunlight. This effect, which is called photocatalysis, has been known since the 1970s. But Cassar has managed to integrate the cleansing and brightening effects of titanium oxide in his cement. During testing, he discovered that this special cement reduces the levels of harmful substances by means of sunlight. The model of the photocatalytical city shows that titanium oxide binds electrons when exposed to light. This allows hydrogen peroxide to develop on the surface, which by means of chemical reactions transforms nitrogen dioxide or other organic substances into nitrates. The first time Cassar's titanium oxide-enriched cement mixture was used was in the construction of a church by the famous architect Richard Meyer in Rome. Cassar's magical cement was used to protect the outside walls from air pollution.
Durante la costruzione della chiesa in Roma,
during the construction of the church in Rome, we discovered that the air around the church was actually less polluted than before. The titanium dioxide contained in our cement caused the harmful substances in the air to oxidize faster.
Gli inquinanti presenti nell'aria.
Cassar's invention can be used in mortar, plaster, as well as paint. Walls that are coated in this manner not only remain clean, but also cleanse the air in their surroundings. And they do so continuously, and at a reasonable cost. For example, if one were to apply a thin coat of Cassar's cement mixture to a 5-story building, the material cost would in fact increase by about 15%. But in return, air pollution would decrease by roughly 20%.
Noi abbiamo trovato che
our measurements indicated that if the buildings in a city were to be coated with our special cement, air pollution could be reduced by up to 50%.
Puoi ridurre l'inquinamento ambientale del 50%.
In the meantime, Cassar's invention has been applied to road construction and repair.
Noi abbiamo trovato che è sufficiente coprire.
As the product was developed further, we were able to establish that it is enough to coat the surface with a thin layer of our product. Even then, the effect is already sufficient to reduce harmful substances in the air. Cassar's cement gives architecture an unexpected environmental advantage and is already being used in 19 countries. For his self-cleaning and air-cleansing cement, Luigi Cassar has been nominated for the European Inventor Award.
La scelta della EPO di riconoscere la nomination.
This nomination is very important to me. It is recognition for my contribution to science after almost 60 years of work and 85 patents.
Ha generato 85 brevetti.
Whether he in fact receives this prize will be decided at the awards ceremony in Berlin.